Are you a pancake lover, or do you want to start enjoying pancake? Get ready to rejoice because today we are diving into 3 easy pancake recipes that you will absolutely adore. Perfect for breakfast or even dinner and any time of the day. You don't have to stress, just some simple and unique recipe you have right in your home. Start your day off right with this complete recipe for the whole family. If you are a lover of good food, you will watch this video till the end. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and thanks for stopping by. Kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell and let's have fun together. Don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends and family. Let them also enjoy this easily made pancake recipe. So let's dive into the video. The full recipe will be in the description box below. For the first recipe, we will be making use of egg, evaporated milk, all-purpose flour. Don't forget the full recipe will be in the description box below. Baking powder or baking soda and salt, then cinnamon, then our oats. For the second ingredient, we are going to be making use of egg, all-purpose flour, evaporated milk, baking powder, and shredded carrots, diced spring onion, salt, seasoning cube, and pepper, garlic, and onion. For the third recipe, ripe plantain, onion and garlic, all-purpose flour, veggies of your choice, any veggies you have in your freezer. So go in with your egg, then your evaporated milk. Go in with your evaporated milk and mix gradually. Your powdered cinnamon, your baking powder or baking soda and salt. This is the first recipe. Don't forget to check out the description box below for the full recipe. Then go in gradually with your all-purpose flour. Mix gradually, but don't over mix it. If you have any lumps, not to worry. Go in gradually with your flour and don't worry about any lumps. Just continue to mix gradually and don't over mix it. You can see that consistency, not too thick and not too watery. This easily made pancake can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Now you can go in lastly with your oats. Now under low heat, go in with some oil, then gradually scoop your pancake. When you start forming bubble, then you can flip to the other side. After flipping to the other side for some minutes, then our pancake is ready. Before we go straight into the second recipe, you can get access to our world of delicious flavors with our over 1000 recipe cookbook packed with easy to follow recipe. Check out the description box down below to get access right away. So let's go straight into the next recipe. For this next recipe, go in with your egg, then add your evaporated milk, mix gradually. Then your cinnamon powder, your baking powder or baking soda, then gradually go in with your flour. Mix gradually. Don't forget the full recipe is in the description box down below. Then go in with your habanero pepper, garlic and onion, your salt, seasoning cube, then shredded carrots, also our spring onion. Then mix gradually, don't over mix it. This is ready for some frying. I am making use of my batter dispenser to scoop in this. You can see the bubble. This is the right time to flip over. Once it is done, then it is ready to enjoy. You can enjoy this with any natural drink of your choice. You can check out our other videos on different natural drinks you can enjoy this with. Which pancake recipe do you prefer among the three? Let me know in the comment section below. For the third recipe, we'll be making use of our overripe banana. It is the right time to put our overripe banana into good use. Peel and dice this. Then you can match this with any wooden spoon or any hard spoon. Match until you have this consistency. Then gradually go in with your flour. Go in gradually with your all-purpose flour and mix. Let me know which recipe you prefer in the comment section among the three new easy made recipe. Now go in with your shredded onion and garlic, veggies of your choice, any veggies you have in your freezer, any veggies you have at home. Go in with it with your habanero pepper and seasoning, any veggies of your choice. Go in with it. Then you mix gradually, continue to mix until all these ingredients are incorporated, well incorporated. Mix until all the ingredients are well incorporated. And for this recipe, you can either bake or fry. For the baking, get ready your baking pan with your baking sheet with some oil. Spray some oil on the sheet. Then scoop in the banana. Make sure it is flat for it to be done easily. And for it to get done inside, don't forget to add some oil into the baking sheet. And you bake for 15 to 20 minutes until it is done and succulent. Then for the second way, we are going to be making use of our non-stick pan. Go in with some oil. Just sprinkle some oil or spray in some oil. Then you gradually scoop in your banana batter. Make sure it is flat. After one side is done, then you flip to the other side for it to get done as well. And there you have it, our easily made pancakes. Which recipe do you prefer? The first, the second, or the third? Let me know in the comment section below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It is so yummy and delicious, perfect for your breakfast, lunch, or dinner for the whole family. Do check out our other videos for more healthy ideas